So sana mas maganda yung live namin ngayon. Let's go. JB Music is the musician's playground. Dito masarap tumambay kasi ito talaga yung hilig namin. Pag nag-live kami ni Chick, yung pang video kay namin, yung mga 1,000 na Bluetooth. But it works, right? It gets the job done. This time we wanted to upgrade just a little bit. So andito ako. I'm gonna buy a mixer. I'm gonna buy some studio monitors. I have some mics that I brought. So sana mas maganda yung live namin ngayon. Let's go. Init. Bakit kasi nag-hoodie? I took out the stock Chrome Hearts thing and I added this one. Para mas may dating, di ba? Bling! Yan ang pambidyo, okay? Babalikan kita. 85K, baby. Remember, this is not like a studio setup. This is just like for video game. I need speaker cables too. Check it out, natin. Cute! And I need just a simple mixer. 2 channels. May low end na din to, you know? I can go Bluetooth from YouTube into here para hindi na sa phone. Ooh, body pass system. Magkano na? So we're almost done buying yung mga kailangan namin para sa live. And so far, we're getting a mixer, speakers, XLR cables para sa mic, and isang SM58 shotgun mic para kay Lara.
Thank you, Sir Chris.
Nararamdaman ko na malapit na ako lumipat ng bahay. Gustong-gusto ko mag-declutter sa bahay, kaso yung mga gamit, feeling ko kailangan ko pa eh. Pag nilet go ko, hahanapin ko. So, kahit mukhang bodega, ikikip ko muna lahat. Pag nag-duet kami mamaya, isa lang yun eh, effects eh. Ikaw pa lang hanap ko, ang nais ko.